They call me Squirrel.
What's going on, Squirrel Squad? It is your boy, the Squirrel, and today we are doing Naked Carrot in a Box. That's right, Johnny Vegas stopped show with his sneezing. I have no idea. I love the Carrot in the Box gimmick. You guys know that I do. We love to watch it together. And this is 8 out of 10 cats. And let's just get into this because I don't even know. I just want to get into it, and my curiosity is killing me. Here we go. It's warning, this cup contains strong
Let's
language.
play
and
Carrot in a
adult
Box, Naked Attraction Edition.
humor. Oh, they're in a box.
Rob, can you look in your box? Catherine, you're not allowed to look inside your box.
Oh, for what?
Both, you want a proper... You don't want to miss a thing.
Oh, for fuck's sake. I don't know what I was expecting. Come on, I'll have a little beauty in it.
Have a
I've
little
had a
look.
look. Do we keep looking?
So, do you want to keep your box or do you want to swap with Catherine?
I'm going to keep it. There's a dick there, Catherine.
Stick in your box?
Yeah. That's the closest I've ever been to one that's not mine.
There's a dick in my box.
That's a lie.
That's a joke. Oh,
Do you think
no.
Rob's bluffing?
Was it cut or uncut?
I can't give you a firm answer on that.
Speaking of firm, how is he pleased to see you or not?
Okay. Get down. Softer now. Softer now.
You just blew on his dick.
Yeah. It looks like it's retreating. I think it's panicked.
This would never fly on American TV. Way too many people would be offended by this already up until this point. Just saying.
Are there any distinguishable features on the dick?
He's drawn a face on it. And it moves when he laughs.
Okay, so do you think he's bluffing? Do you think there's a dick in the box or do you think you've got a dick in the box?
I think Rob is bluffing because he's gone back to look at the dick so many times. And Rob is a respectable family man. I don't think he'd be so thirsty for the cock.
I'm getting into it.
Okay, so it's time now for the blindfolded taste challenge.
Blindfolded taste challenge.
Okay, so what do you think? You think he's bluffing?
I think that there's the dick in my box. I think Rob's bluffing.
I mean, there's a point for whoever wins this. So, gentlemen, if you could face forward. And
Oh!
Catherine's man, we would like you to open your box. So that's a point for you, Rob. But, I mean, it's worth saying you did look a lot at that dick. You kept going back for more.
I thought, it's a nice dick. Why not have a look at it? It's not very often you get to see a dick that much.
Well, on the subject of blowjobs, people looking for employment now have to take all their pics offline because I hire babysitters. My first thing is to go straight to their Instagram and see how big of a slut they are.
Pick a slutty babysitter.
I pick the sluttiest babysitter. I don't want her leaving me for a better job. No, I have a lovely babysitter.
Johnny, have you sneezed on your jumper?
Come here.
I did not want to interrupt the conversation over there, so I was going, I was doing such an half sneeze.
You've never not wanted to interrupt a conversation in your life.
I got a sneezing fit. I apologise. I just was turning around going, ugh. Not trying to make a noise.
Anna,
Yeah.
starting a new job. What's...
No, hang on. I had a sneezing fit. I had a genuine sneezing fit. I was turning round, trying to sneeze quietly. I did it more on the left. The right is still quite heavily congested. But there's nothing I can do about that. I don't know why it came on. Just wanted to be part of the team.
Anna,
Yes.
Anna,
It's all right. I'll take me in the T-shirt and blow me fucking nose.
No, don't.
The fuck. All right, so I probably told you guys. I tell you guys a lot about me, but like I have worked as a first responder and EMT. I've worked for years with mentally disabled patients, physically disabled patients. I've cleaned up everything from basically anything. I don't have to get into a laundry list, but any bodily fluid, any bodily fluid. I've cleaned it up. I've dealt with it. Mucus. It's the only one that gets me. It's the only one. Vomit. Vomit too, but only usually because either way, vomit does, it's more of a smell thing, I think, there, but the mucus, oof, shit. I don't know why. I couldn't. Blood, no problem. Poop, yeah.
Well, that must be.
Blood.
You've now got some sort of chest
Oh, it's all
oyster.
right, I'm back in the game.
Okay, so
Chest oyster.
hardest thing about starting a new job.
Sitting next to Johnny Vegas?
Oh my goodness. All right. Well, now you know how I feel about mucus. And what the hell? Naked carrot in the box? Oof, I don't know. I mean, the Johnny Vegas stops the show with the sneezing. That was a minor part of it. Seriously, the multiple views of the penis was the big hit here. I think. Maybe not. Ooh. Oh, I'm blowing his nose on his T-shirt. I can't even get over it. All right, listen. I hope that I hope you enjoyed my reaction to this, and please, by all means, let me know what you'd like to see me react to next. I'll catch you guys soon. You be good. You don't have to be good. You be bad. It's fine. You ain't bad. Name it after me. Your old pal Squirrel. Squirrel out.